What's up everyone, this is episode 2 of my tech reviews. And the first review we did was the iPad, something I've had for a while. But this review is something I've been waiting on for a while, and I finally picked it up and it just came about 10 minutes ago. And I'm very excited to review this product in real time with you guys, so here we go. These bad boys, the AirPods Max. I've been wanting these for a while. I love my AirPods. I had the regular ones and then I went to the Pros, and these seem like a no-brainer to me. So you guys are gonna go witness these as I get to witness these for the first time. All I've done was play with them in the Apple Store, but as I roll the seal off, they are officially mine. Normal Apple unboxing, it's just gonna reveal, and here we go. Got the little paper thingy. It's got that new product smell. Gonna slowly rip this off. For how many times I've ripped a product's plastic off, I'm still not great at it. There we go. Feels just like the iPad case that you can buy, this thing. That pops off, these pop off. Put this down for a sec. And here they are, and right off the bat, I mean, simple and beautiful. I mean, they just feel unbelievable. I know you put them in here and they kind of go into a sleep mode. You kind of just carry them around like this. I know it's a hot topic for everyone that doesn't really come with a carrying case or something that's this much money, but let's throw these on and see how they feel. Right off the bat, my goodness. And I know if I just open up my iPhone, Bluetooth on, they should connect already. I heard something. Maybe I have to click this. Oh, right there it's in transparency mode. And this is way better than the AirPods Pros, AirPods Pros. Back in noise cancellation. So let's go to the settings, Bluetooth, and AirPods Max. Right off the bat, connected right away. I'm already connected. Right now I'm in silent mode. I'm just gonna play a song. Noise cancellation mode. Let's see, what's some music that I think would be great with this? It's a new Young Thug album. Let's do this song. I don't know if you can hear me, but, well, I know you can hear me, I can't hear myself, but right off the bat, you just hear things in each cup, and it's surrounded, just surround sound. So I'll take these off so I can talk for a bit. But what's beautiful about these is this crown is exactly like what's on the Apple Watch, and that's how you turn up and down your music, pause your song, previous and next song, double click, triple click. You have this button right here, which is also like the Apple Watch button, but this is your transparency mode and your noise cancellation mode, and it's just unbelievable. These just pop off. Maybe I'll get a different color, mix it up. I was really torn on what color to get. I really wanted the white and silver, but for me, I'm a mess. Just felt like I'd get them dirty and don't want to get these dirty. So let's listen some more. Just like all the other Apple headphone line, earbud line, they connect right away the second you put them on. They connect from iPad to iPhone to Apple Watch to MacBook. So right now I'm in noise cancellation mode. Now I'm in transparency mode, and this is night and day different than the AirPods Max. You can hear so differently. It's great. It's beautiful. Let's see what settings we have when we go to within the Bluetooth. So right now it's in transparency, digital crown, okay. Spatial audio is on. This is unbelievable. So let's talk for a bit. For me, just pop them back in here really quick. Music's a big part. I love listening to music. I love listening to podcasts, but I also love to meditate. And with these, I love to meditate with like natural sounds like forest, water, and all that stuff. And to hear it with these is just unbelievable. And I had Beats before this, and Beats were great, but I've also had Bose, and Bose are great, but these are special. Apple's kind of taken over music kind of at a random time. They kind of just took it over with the AirPods, and it kind of just took off from there and almost dominated everything else. Bose will be Bose. I love Bose. Those will be Bose. But Apple kind of, it was them and Beats, and they ended up buying out Beats, which has the Apple chip in it, so they're kind of just dominating this whole thing. But these headphones, we'll talk about them some more real quick, but like this mesh is just so soft. Like I've never seen anything like this. When these first came out, what caught my eye was the fact that there's no Apple logo anywhere. Like that's what Apple's known for, is Apple logo somewhere, and this has no Apple logo, and it's very subtle, and you just know right away that these are AirPods Max. And that's something that I think they did on purpose, which is beautiful. I mean, you gotta pull to get these where you want them to be. But I mean, I can see myself on a plane with these, just chilling and comfortable and cozy with these. No head pain. And it feels airy on the ears, which is very, very nice. These are just impressive. I can't get over how nice these are. I just want to listen to these all day. But for me, I'm a video editor, so I'm going to have to get the plug-in, because when you edit with this, I edit close to a beat, and when you cut close to a beat, there's always a few frame delay when you go Bluetooth to something or whatever it is, so you need to be able to plug in. So I'm going to have to purchase that, but I mean, these are everything I hope they live up to be. And for my first product review, I feel like I'm just shook. These things are just beautiful. What can I say? I love Apple. This right here was the review of the AirPod Max. And I mean, I give it a 10 out of 10. I love these things. And I haven't even had them for more than 20 minutes. Thank you for tuning in. Please subscribe. And until the next review, thank you guys.